We'll guide you through how to change the lock screen password on Android. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. So you may want to go and change to a different password or a completely different type of lock. We're going to guide you through how you can do either. Make sure this is full guide and don't go and skip ahead. Otherwise, you may go and miss an important part of this guide. So what you need to do is you need to go and swipe up. You need to go and find the option for settings and you can go and tap there. Now, what you need to do in settings is you want to go and scroll down and you need to go and find the option for lock screen and you need to go and tap there like so. Now at the top it says screen lock type and you can tap there. What you then need to do is go and enter in your current password. You can go and press continue. Now, if you want to go and change to a different password, tap that there and you can enter a new one, or you can use a pin, pattern, or a swipe. I'll go and change it to a different password just to go and show you we can go and change it. I'll press continue and you can confirm it, press OK, and that's it.